Huge jolt to the INDIA bloc ahead of crucial assembly elections that are due later this year in Jharkhand. Former Jharkhand Chief Minister and Jharkhand Mukti Morcha leader Champai Soren is likely to join the Bharatiya Janata Party. Top sources have said that he may join the BJP with a few MLAs as well. The date of joining has not been confirmed so far. Amidst the buzz, he arrived in Delhi today, but he said that he has come for personal reasons. Remember, his daughter is in Delhi. He's been saying on record that he's just come to meet his daughter. But why would he do that with a couple of MLAs in tow? That is the big question. When specifically asked about him joining the BJP, he said, "Abhi hum jahan hain, wahi hain."
आप क्या रिमार्क फैल रहा है नहीं रहा है ये हमको कोई पता नहीं है ना।
तो खबरों में कितनी सच्चाई है जो आप अपने अगर आपके जुबान
हमको खबर पता नहीं तो सच्चाई है तो सच और झूठ का कहां से हम आकलन करेंगे। हमको कुछ पता नहीं है, हमको कुछ नहीं पता है ना। क्या सोच है क्या झट है, हम अपना ठीक है जहां पर है वहीं पर है।
Now, even though on camera, Champai Soren is not accepting that he is all set to join the BJP, there are reasons fueling this speculation. Champai Soren was made the Chief Minister of Jharkhand in February earlier this year after Hemant Soren was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate in a money laundering case. And then his resignation in July paved the way for Hemant Soren to resume his role as the state's leader. Now, sources are saying that Champai Soren has ever since felt insulted after his unceremonious removal from the post of Chief Minister. JMM flags have been removed from his ancestral home now, as well as from his office in Jharkhand. His bio on social media platform X only says former CM Jharkhand, where it had earlier said, had mentioned multiple posts that he held for the party and in the state government. While he says he is in Delhi for personal work, he is not denying the news of joining the BJP. And lastly, of late, several BJP leaders have also been showering praises on his work as the Chief Minister. Meanwhile, here is what the Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren had to say on this.
ये लोग गुजरात से, असम से, महाराष्ट्र से लोगों को ला करके यहाँ आदिवासी, दलित, पिछड़ा अल्पसंख्यक के ऊपर जहर बोने का काम करता है और एक दूसरे से लड़वाने का काम करता है। समाज तो छोड़ो, ये घर भी फोड़ने का काम करता है, पार्टी तोड़ने का काम करता है। आए दिन कभी इस विधायक को खरीद ले, कभी उस विधायक को खरीद ले। और पैसा ऐसा चीज है कि नेता लोग का तो ऐसे ही उन लोग को इधर उधर घसीटने में उन लोग को देरी नहीं लगता है।